Okay, so last time we got the engine out of the car, so now what I want to do today is kind of get it stripped down, get all the accessories off of it, turbo, intake manifold, exhaust manifold. We'll see how far we get, see if we can get it stripped all the way down. I'm assuming that the short block's going to be bad, but I'm excited to tear into it and see what the problem actually is. So I gotta get the clutch off, and then once I do that, we can throw it on the stand and just start busting it apart. So let's get rolling. Okay, let's take a look at this. It's a Exetti, so it looks like a factory replacement. Flywheel doesn't look too bad. Doesn't really look like, I mean, it's definitely had some use, but it's not like super hot spotted or anything, which is good. Sweet. So let's pull the flywheel off now. I thought you were supposed to Loctite these, but there's definitely none on those. These don't even look very old. Odd. It's an odd world. Come on, buddy. Flywheel. Flywheel. Okay, so flywheel's off. Now we can bolt our, what is that? It's weird. We just gotta bolt our stand to it now, and then we can get the hoist over here and lift it up and put it on there. Thank you. Yeah, good job. Okay, so some of the cool parts I was talking about, you'll see there's a Tome manifold down here. And the car has 10 coilovers on it. Whatever, I guess. So, I guess first thing I should do is get this off, and then we'll go start working our way around it. Okay, so if you can see that, those were the bolts to the up pipe, so the 3 that hold the turbo to the up pipe. Every single one of them was trashed. Every one. But I think I got all of them. There's one back here that's like feeling really loose, and I'm wondering if I just gotta get the turbo loose up here, and then it'll come free for me. I don't think there's any way you're going to be able to see this, but super common. And everyone tells you to replace them because of it. Wonder if you can see that. It's right below the wastegate. See that crack? It's not a big deal. This thing feels like it's pretty new. No shaft play, no nothing. Good old VF39. It's a nice turbo, sir. Okay, let's throw this Johnny in the trunk. I never pulled the whole intake manifold up like that before. That was kind of cool, I guess. This coolant system is a little different, you know? Everything looks fine, so I'm hoping I can just pull it off, you know, and just leave it the way it is. It's real ugly back here. Because the rest of the block looks pretty good, and then you get back here, it's like, so. I guess I could do exhaust manifold now. Yeah. I suppose. Get that shit off there. Let it fall. Oh no. Okay, not doing that right now. Guess I need to drain the oil. Okay, so I got a good chunk of the engine disassembled now that I made a mess over here. So probably next time it'll be heads off. We'll get the whole thing blown apart like all the way. So, I did want to do one last thing today though. The owner of this car bought new wheels, so I was going to throw a couple of them on real quick and see what it looked like. Personally, I liked the black RPF ones that were on it, but these China specials should be just fine. Okay, so we got, hey, easy, some very nice Raptor tires. It's probably the best tires you can buy on the market right now. Same with these. I don't even know what they are. They're very obviously CR tire reps of some sort. I can't remember. Oh dang, dude! Factory runs, man. Looks like I painted these. Sick. Alright, well, let's see what they look like. We're going from a 17-inch black RPF1 to an 18-inch wheel and tire setup that's easily twice as heavy, and the tires are going to be twice as bad. So, yep. I might even be putting them on the wrong way. Yeah, I am. I don't even care. It doesn't matter. These are terrible. But they're going on, so. Oh my gosh, those are heavy. Those are going to be aggressive. I guess I could take the spacer off and probably sit better. Alright, I'll take the spacer off. Oh, these are going the right way, so that's cool. Let's just take a look at this here real quick. I mean, it's pretty pokey. No. Kind of fit, I guess, you know what I mean? Really can't see the color. I mean, I did it first and best. Let it be known. Charging. Might be okay. Maybe. Alright, that's it. Messed around with the engine a little bit, test fitted the new wheels. So next time, head to the machine shop, and we'll probably go pick up the block for this thing. So, see you next time.